God damn it. Thank you. Apparently I never check. Should be sleeping, but here I am telling you I cannot hear what you're saying. Can hear music, just not you, unless that's intentional. Yes, I was checking to see if you were up. And good thing I did. Now go to sleep. Thank you. Jesus Christ. That could have been bad. Now, I've been going for I've been known to go 45 minutes without sound. It's not something new. See ya. Have a good night, man. Thank you so much for showing up. Uh, all right. So, as I was saying, I made a few test records for job postings so that we can test job postings and job group assignments of those job postings. Because what I want to do is I want to make sure that I don't go over 100% when adding jobs to a group. There should not be above 100%. Right now, the total weight is 100, but if I want to add one more, which I should be able to now that I have more data scientists, for example, if I do 10% on that one, this should fail. Let's see if it does. It does not. So if we go back to job groups now, it says that that is 110% and it's red, but it did let me add the job posting and it should not. So I want to add that validation at the time of creation, not after the fact. See if we can do that. And if we have time, I would like to have some kind of UI that when I'm doing this, have some, maybe a progress bar that goes all the way to the some visual aid to know how much of a percentage I have in the group, because I can't see it from here. Not until I go out into the job group list, I can see that, oh, I went over, or I am maybe 10% short, something like that. As always, I am trying to push as much as I can cloud code with Laravel Boost. So I'm going to try and do hands-off programming. I am still going to review the code that is going to be created, and I'm still going to manually approve any changes. But the idea is to see how much I can get away without writing code myself. Because Laravel Boost so far is really good. All right. Can I remove that one? Delete selected. That's good, but could I have a delete action? Okay, one delete action on the table, maybe. I can delete, actually. Do I have to click on it? No, I can remove. I don't have a remove action. I need a remove action. Yeah, I need a remove action. Okay. So let's start with the remove action. That one's easy, and I really need it right now. Oh, Claudio. I don't know why I feel compelled to always start the sentence with please, as if that would make it better. Now, do as I say. Add a remove action. I know the machines will probably be mad after when they take over. Hey, fried rice, how you doing? Add a remove action to the job group assignment relation manager. Canoodling. No, that's not how it works. They don't charge you less just because you're nice. You feel better, but it makes no difference. 20% off if you say pretty please. Yeah, delete action. That's good. It's broma. I know. Don't worry. I know. And then add that to the record actions in the relation manager. Good. All right, that's good. Done. If I refresh now, there it is. Delete. Skynet won't attack you when the time comes. Oh, they're getting all of us. No one's safe. Even the polite ones. All right, delete. Nice. All right, we're back to 100%. Maybe if I broke a deal, I just give everyone up.
The stream is now paused for
I
ads.
didn't say you can't click that. That's not true. That's fake news. Oh, we have a ad break. Okay, let's take a quick break. Let's wait for the ads to pass. I know YouTube, you don't have ads, but still. Just in case someone or some of those 200 followers. It's not 200. Is it 200? Yeah, maybe one of those 200 will get an ad, so we wait. Five seconds. All right, ads are over. Shoo, 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 shoo. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Shoo. Okay. What are we going to do next? So I think the edit group functionality is complete. So in that case, I would like to move the next feature, which is a UI improvement, to a new branch. So commit all current changes in this branch and merge with main. Then create a new branch, work on a UI improvement to the job group assignment. Where we will add a progress bar to view the group total percentage. Let's leave it like that. I just remember that I wanted to move that percentage from float to integer, but I think that'll be after we have this UI. That's good. Check out. Yep, go ahead. Hooray! All right, we are in a new branch now. So, here is what this, okay, let's think about the prompt. I want to add validation so that I can't go over 100% when creating new job group assignments. And also add a progress bar to the job group assignment create and edit form to visualize the job group total percent as I up and wait, no, that's okay, up until there. The progress bar should update in real time when I change the value of the percent input in that same form. I think that's good. Let me set it in plan mode so I can see what the plan is and then hit it. Scampering, scampering. How's Claude doing in this session? It's doing good. Thanks for helping make Claude better. That's a new thing. Ooh, also, it's a large response, 10,000 tokens. Another 10,000 tokens. Hopefully I won't run out of my quota while doing this. I don't think it will. Another 10,000, 30,000 tokens already? Jesus Christ. 40,000 tokens. All right, let me read that plan. All right, based on my research, here is a plan to add validation and live updating progress bar to the job group assignment form. Add custom validation rule. Add a custom validation rule to the weight percentage field that prevents exceeding 100% total weight. Okay. Use a closure validation rule that accesses the current job group via the get owner record, calculates remaining available weight, fails validation if the enter weight would cause a total to exceed 100%. Provide a helpful error message when showing available weight. It's exactly what I want. And it's not divorced from what was already in my mind. Add a progress bar. This one I wouldn't even know how to begin with. Insert a view make. Oh. View make component. Filaments placeholder component above the grid in the form schema. This will render a custom blade view showing a visual progress bar. This view will display the current total percentage excluding the form's current value. The percentage being entered in the form. What? Visual progress bar with color coding, green when valid, red when over 100%. Okay, I thought about it. Didn't say anything, still got it. Remaining available percentage. Oh, I get it. So there's in the view there's going to be the total percentage, which excludes the form current value, the percentage being entered in the form, and a visual progress bar with color coding. Remaining available percentage. Okay. Create a progress bar blade view. Okay, new blade view containing HTML CSS for the progress bar using Tailwind CSS classes. You're going to uses get weight percentage to reactively access the current input value. Interesting. Accesses the live work component via this to get the owner record. Calculates and displays current total, new value, and remaining weight. Color coded progress bar. Then make weight input live. Okay, that's just adding a live on blur true to the weight percentage text input field. This ensures the progress bar updates in real time when the user changes the value. On using on blur prevent excessive server requests while typing. So only when I move away from the field. Got it. Technical details, validation, reactivity, a new view component. Yeah, okay. In theory, sounds great. Let's see how much it takes and how much code that's going to be. It doesn't sound too much. I'm going to manually approve edits. Sounds like a good plan. Let's see the execution. And we're starting with the validation rule. All right. So before we only have numeric, a minimum of 0.01 and a maximum of 100. We still have that, but now we have a function that takes in the component and that returns a closure. Huh. And the definition is just a function with a string attribute value and closure fail. Interesting. And that uses the component from this function. We get the owner record, put it in job group. We get the current record ID. Okay. Calculate the total weight excluding the current record if editing. Okay, current total, job group assignments. Oh, okay. That ID plays a role if we are editing. Right here. So job group assignments. When current record ID, then query where ID is not equal to the current record ID, then we sum the weight percentage. Okay, so we're using the relationship to sum up the weight percentage, excluding the current record if we are editing. Clear. Then the new total will be the current total plus the value of the field that we are in right now, which is the weight percentage. Hey, Hamad, how you doing? And then if the new total exceeds 100.01, this will go away in the future. And that's because if we're using floats, it has to allow for a small floating point tolerance when doing checks like this. That's going to go away, but for now it's fine. Then it says available equals 100 minus current total, and then fail with the message the total weight cannot exceed 100% currently. Current total is assigned. Maximum available equals available. That's helpful. That's really good code, actually. I am not mad about that. I didn't know, I wouldn't have guessed that this will be the way to create a custom room where you have to put in a function and that function returns a closure and that closure has to return a fail. If it returns a fail, which is another closure, then it's going to fail. Otherwise, it's going to be valid. Interesting. All right, that looks good. Go ahead. Good call, good call. I'm curious about the custom blade view. I want to see that code. Okay. All right, view make. That's going to be the new view. Filament job groups progress bar. Okay. I'm still looking forward to that code. Seems crazy to me that this is the new developer experience for some people. Just like, what are you doing? It's creating a new folder. Okay. Yeah, I don't care about that. Give me the code. Give me the code. Give me the code. Here we go. Let's review. Jesus, that's a lot of code. I'm not interested in the classes or anything else. I'm interested in the logic. So this is a PHP file. It's a blade file with a PHP code snippet that uses.
Apollionado on Twitch said, "How are you, boss?"
I'm pretty good, boss. Pretty good, pretty good. How you doing? All right, so it's using the relation manager class, which is interesting. And then it's using that instance of relation. If this is an instance of relation manager, then get the owner record, otherwise no. I'm guessing that's to gracefully fail or silently fail if anything happens. But that is quite interesting. Get the current record ID if editing. Again, checking if this is an instance of relation manager. And if we have a get record method, we use this get record ID. Calculate the current total, excluding the record being edited. We already saw this in the validation rule. We get the value being entered in the form, which is reactive. We're using get. Curious. Get usually is a magic function from Filament, which I'm guessing we have available because we're using view make from Filament. Curious. We get the new total, calculate the remaining, determine if the new total is valid, calculate the percentage for progress bar, and then we have a bunch of Tailwind CSS. We have labels and then the progress bar. All right. It's like just doing the progress bar from scratch. Okay. If this goes as I'm seeing it in my mind, I'm gonna be so freaking scared. All right, go ahead. Surprised, scared, and amazed. Not particularly in that order. All right, making the field reactive. Getting close, getting close. Will it work? Will it work? Oh, it's doing some testing. Good. It's gonna get stuck in the testing, I'm sure. It happens every single time. Excellent. All right, let me see those tests. It prevents creating assignments that exceeds 100% total weight, creating two job postings. Create the first one with 60. Group refresh. Try to create the second assignment with 50%. It's doing live wire tests, which I like. I hate that you're doing the whole goddamn full path, but fine. Call table action. Didn't you fail because of this last time? We'll see. Allows creating assignment that does not exceed 100%. All right, basically it. Go ahead. Let me see you struggle. Mamma mia. Both of them failed. I knew it. The validation rule is calling get record, which does not exist during creation. Let me fix that. All right. Ah, interesting. So the get record method doesn't even is not even part of the class. Both of them passed. Okie dokes. Now he's doing some pint. We're close to be done. Also, we're about to have ads on Twitch. So I'll take a break before looking at the end result. Canoodling, defining canoodles. Running everything. The last canoodle.
The stream is now paused for ads.
There it is. Oh, while we have ads, I want to go check something because I heard something that it's really good news. Let me see if it's already in place. So if I go to El Gato, I think it is. Wavelink is now free. It used to be only available if you had the hardware that goes with it, which is I think is the Wave 3, the Wave Neo, Wave XLR, all of those. Now you can use it. You can just download it and use it with your crappy microphone. First they did, hey, welcome back from the ads. First it was the Stream Deck. They made it free for everyone without having to have a Stream Deck hardware. And now they made Wavelink also free. Let me download it. And it's compatible with VSTs. Just download. Is it available for Linux though? It's not. It's an MSI. But that's fine. I wasn't going to use it here though. That's dumb. This is on the streaming machine that I have to use. But that's good news. That's really amazing. Now you can have all of your channels separate from each other instead of having to rely on OBS audio mixer. You can just split all of your audio in Wavelink and send one audio stream into OBS and just separate all of those in this software. Nice. Okay. That was a tangent. So we are done. Let's see it in action. Will it work? The suspense is killing me. So let's try with edit. If we do edit, that's awful. The fuck is that? The fuck is that? I think I know why it looks like crap. like garbage. And I think it has to do with the fact that you cannot, hey Rashid, how you doing? I'm guessing we either have to recompile with mix, which I don't think it's the issue. I think the real issue is we need to create a custom filament theme so that all of the classes from Tailwind CSS will actually work. How long does it take to learn PHP plus Laravel? And nowadays, you can call yourself like entry level in, I want to say, well, learning experiences are different from one person to the other, so we cannot just generalize one timeline. Some people take longer to learn, some people take less time. I pride myself on being a fast learner, but that's not everybody. But generally speaking, if you, I would say a month. I would give you a month, or I would give anybody a month to familiarize themselves with both PHP and Laravel, because two main things. One, Laravel documentation, awesome. PHP resources are everywhere. You have AI tools that allow you to explain code back to you in a way that you understand. And you have
Apollionado on Twitch said awesome.
thank you. And now you have things like YouTube, you have Google, you have AI, you have official tutorials from Laravel, you have Laracast, Code Course, you have amazing resources. And if you are not able to learn this in a month, I don't know, it's maybe not for you. But I would give it maybe a month, if not less. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a screenshot of this. If I can I take a screenshot of this? How can I take a screenshot in Linux? Anybody know? I don't have print screen. Any other option? Using the built-in screen. Search for screenshot in the activities. You can choose. Okay, got it. It's not. Is that not? Is it this? Okay. Take a screenshot. It was put in the clipboard. And also there is a file. So what I want to do is I want to pass that image into Claude and let Claude figure out what the problem is based on the image, which is something that we can do now. Where's my, here. Now let's move this window. Where's the up? Motherfucker. Uh, I hate this keyboard, man. My main keyboard died. So I'm using this crap, which is a cheap Logi keyboard, and it doesn't have what's it called? Op.
Apollionado on Twitch said Logitech.
I know. I just had it because it was.
Apollionado on Twitch said Numpad.
It doesn't have a numpad. It's like a 60% something.
Apollionado on Twitch said I like Logitech.
I'm not shitting on Logitech, but this keyboard does not help me. Anyway. What I want to do is take this and move it. No. Move to workspace right. There it is. So now it's back there. Wait, what? And now I need you on that same workspace. Move to workspace right. Okay. Because what I want is to be able to grab this, paste it there. The UI, whoa, the UI does not look right. It appears the Tailwind classes are not working correctly, whatever. I'm just gonna give it a hint because I think that's what it is. Be related to filament custom themes. Which are required if we want to use Tailwind CSS classes. And set it on plan mode and see what happens. Give me a plan. Might as well have fun, right? That's a new developer experience. Just dick around while that works. Huh? Oh, there it is. Okay. Um, you are absolutely correct. I knew it. The progress bar UI isn't rendering properly because custom Tailwind classes need to be compiled through a filament custom theme. Here is the plan to fix it. Create a custom filament theme. Run PHP artisan make filament theme admin to generate a new theme. This will create resources. This will create a theme.css file. The theme file will include source directives to scan for Tailwind CSS classes. Update Vite configuration. Update the Vite configuration file. Add the theme CSS file to the input array. Register theme in panel provider using Vite theme. That's a new method I didn't know about. This tells Filament to use our custom compiled theme. Ensure theme scans custom views. Okay. Verify the theme CSS includes source directives from custom blade views. Add source resources view filament. If not present, then this ensures Tailwind scans our progress bar view for classes. Okay, build assets, npm run build. Why this is needed, I already know, but let's read it anyway. Filament version 4 uses Tailwind CSS version 4, which requires explicit source registration. Custom Tailwind classes like BG Primary 500, Dark BG Gray 800, etc. aren't included in Filament's default build. Without a custom theme, Filament only Filament's precompiled classes are available. Our progress bar uses many custom utility classes that need to be compiled. I told you so. Go for it. Someday. Should have some, and maybe a knitting kit or something like. Yes, go ahead. Also, you waited like 5 minutes to give me that much code? Bruh. Registering theme in admin panel. It's thinking like it's the end of the world. It's gonna give me one line of code. Watch. Watch, watch. Watch. What did I tell you? Bruh. One line of code. 3 minutes. Yes, go ahead. What are you waiting for? Oh, I told you to wait. Okay. My bad. Sheesh. Build assets with npm run build. It's gonna ask me to if it can run npm run build. Watch, watch. Huh? 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 Yes. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Everything looks the same still, but if I do edit now, look at that shit. Look at that shit. Look at it. Wait, weight exceeds 100% maximum available. Should be green. 100 means green. So, so close. It's garbage. Complete garbage.
Apollionado on Twitch said ha ha ha.
And it's not, well, it's on blur. It's still not refreshing as I type. Why does it set 199.99? What the fuck is it? There are some logic problems here, apparently. It doesn't seem to be excluding the current record, I think. I am editing the current record, which accounts for 999. Let's just, okay, let's close that. So there is only one and that accounts for the whole 100%. If I'm editing, that means that that's the entire thing, and I'm not adding more to it. So that's 100. And instead, it's saying, hey, that's 100% plus 100%, the one that we're currently editing. That's 200%. Wrong. Wrong. So it's almost there. It just needs a little adjusting because of the logic is not correct. But hey, we have a nice view and it looks kind of nice. Once it's working according to logic, it's going to be awesome because that's just a custom view with custom CSS classes. And that's something I don't think I've ever done before. Still haven't though, but there it is. Is there a progress bar here somewhere? Let me update this to 50%, just for the sake of it. Save changes. Oh. Oh. It's broken beyond measure. That shouldn't be there. Job posting. Job posting. No, wait, it should. Test. Where's the test? Oh, did it delete the test one? No, it's not showing because it's already okay. Okay. Okay, buddy. It broke the logic. This is maybe the editing is not correct. Let me try something else. I'm gonna delete this one. Yep. New job group assignment. Okay, looking good. I'm gonna take one backend developer. Let's put it at 50% on blur. Okay, that's working. It's the editing part that is not working. Okay. The editing logic is a little wanting right now, but this looks good. Current total, well, that one, entering 50, available 50. We hit create. If we have a new one, we have 50 available. This is the current total. Okay, fine. Let's choose data science and let's say we want to go over 60. That's gonna give me an error. Okay, I'm gonna go 50 then. 100%. This looks okay. Okay. I like that. We just have to fix the editing logic. And then we hit create. And if we do edit, yeah, that, see, goes over 150. We're close. And also, it's not giving me the job posting in the drop down. So I cannot change the job posting here or save the changes. This should be the current record, not the current ID. So few things that we have to fix. All right. We'll fix it next time. We're making good progress. All right. If you are on YouTube, your stream will end now. If you want to hang out a little longer, jump over to Twitch. I'm going to switch content. I'm going to go play some video games now. So if you want to hang out for a little bit more, link in the description for my Twitch channel. And my camera just broke. I'm 1 frame per second. 1 sec. I'm going to fix this. There you go. Hey, Targeted, how you doing? I was just about to end the YouTube part, the coding part, on YouTube. So if you're still on YouTube, the content is going to end now. The stream is going to end for you. Again, if you want to hang out for a little bit longer and watch me play some video games, jump over to Twitch. I'm going to play some video games for a couple of hours. Link in the description. Otherwise, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you again next time. Bye, YouTube. Bye.